Hey guys! Welcome to our channel, Pinay Mom's Vlogs. On this episode, we'll show you Gravenssteen's castle. Gravenssteen's castle, or Gravenssteen's castle, in Ghent, Belgium, offers a fascinating experience for visitors, especially families. It provides an immersive experience where you can explore its medieval architecture, towers, dungeons, and courtyards. The castle offers an audio tour that provides informative and engaging commentary as you explore the site. Our kids enjoyed the sense of adventure and history as they wander through the various rooms and passages. The duration of the audio tour can vary, but typically it takes around 1 to 1.5 hours to complete. And the tour is available in multiple languages, ensuring that everybody can enjoy and learn from the experience. Throughout the castle, you will find interactive displays and exhibits that bring the history of the castle to life. We climbed up the top of the castle as well for a stunning panoramic view of Ghent and its surroundings. Visiting Gravensteen Castle is not only an opportunity to explore a historical landmark, but also a chance to immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of Ghent. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. For more episodes, please check out our playlist, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Be sure to check out our other videos of our visit here in Ghent, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.